In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see your liked pins on Pinterest. First, open your web browser and go to pinterest.com. You can do this on any modern browser, and if you're not already signed in, you'll be prompted to log into your account. I'll walk through this on desktop because the buttons are easy to spot, but the flow is similar on the app. Once you're on your home feed, give the page a second to load your recommendations. Next, select any pin and click it to open the close-up view. This is the full pin page where you can see the image or video, details, and options. Choosing any pin here is just to show you how a like looks and where it gets tracked. Now, click the heart icon. That heart is the like button. When you tap it, the heart will fill in, confirming that you've liked the pin. If you change your mind, you can click the heart again to remove the like. Liking a pin helps Pinterest understand your tastes, and in this workflow, it's also the activity we're about to review. From here, go to Settings at the bottom left of the Pinterest interface. On desktop, you'll typically see a gear icon or a settings link in the lower left area of the sidebar. Clicking it opens your account settings in a new section. Inside Settings, click Refine Your Recommendations. This area lets you fine-tune what you see across Pinterest, and it also ensures that your recent interactions, such as likes, are accounted for properly. It's a good place to check occasionally if you want your feed to stay relevant to your interests. After that, refresh the page so everything updates, and then click Activity. A quick refresh makes sure your latest actions are reflected. The Activity section is where Pinterest aggregates what you've been doing recently, and it's the quickest way to review your interactions in one place. Here you'll see all the pins that you liked. Scroll through to review them at a glance. If you want to revisit a pin, just click it to open the close-up again. This is a handy way to track things you reacted to without needing to remember which board they were on. If you find something you want to organize, you can save it to a board right from the pin. And if you see a like you didn't mean to add, you can unheart it on the spot. That's the full process. Go to Pinterest, open a pin, like it with the heart, head into Settings to refine recommendations, refresh, and then check Activity to see your liked pins collected in one view.